Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix an exhaust leak. This is not the best way to do this, but this does work every once in a while. As you see here, even with this ball here and the flange meeting up, there's still a little bit of a gap and we're getting a pretty bad exhaust leak. So you can get some of this ultra copper. It's Permatex. And basically it's good for exhaust temperatures and all that, so we're going to go ahead and put a bead of it down in here and then smash it together like a sandwich. I have had some pretty good luck with this stuff in the past, and it can be scraped off when you're done. And like I said, it's not the best way to properly fix everything, but it can work. Okay, you can also put it on the inner edge of the pipe that's going to be going over it. Just want to make sure that when you clamp these together, you get enough of it on there. So there we've added a nice coat of it in there between it, and we're going to go ahead and just sandwich it down. And we went all the way around to get it all the way around, and so now pushing it together should help this seal. Okay, like I said, it's not the cleanest or the best way of doing this, but as you can see, you get enough of it in there, it seals it up pretty good.